Hello everybody, Average Gamer here. Welcome to another episode of Kerbal Space Program. So we've got a bit of a burn to do here. To be honest with you, I'm looking at it right now and thinking our burn should be more than 53 seconds. I'm going to start burning at about... Actually, let's do this. Why? Oh, because we're... There we go. 2 minutes, 13 seconds. So I'm going to start burning at a minute. Minute 6. So we're going to speed the time up here. I'm also just going to quickly jump back here and say, alright, so we're going to be 45 million meters from the looks of it. So we're basically just going to skirt into the Duna system, which is no big deal because that's why we have so many engines and all that stuff. So 1 minute, 7 seconds is when we're going to burn for Duna entry. Or for Kerbal escape and preparation for Duna entry. So remember, we have no science experiments, no nothing. The plan here is just to test to see if we even have the technology to get to Duna. So once again, at 1 minute, 7 seconds. 1 minute 6, I'm sorry. 7, there we go, 6, 5, 3, 2. All right, so once again, 1 minute, 7 seconds, or 6 seconds. We're gonna go full on burn. Once again, 1 minute 6. 3, 2, 1. Full burn. Wow. Stage is done. Well, this is the part that's going to hurt us a little bit. Oh! Crap. Well, that wasn't expected. We are going to now miss Duna. We're going to wait until we get out of... that's not good. So, our other stage is right here. That's not good. We're going to exit out of the system. Once we're out, we're then going to tweak things. Yeah, we're good. Once we're out of the Kerbal system for the first time, we're then going to change up. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to sit here and add a maneuver. There we go. Duna intercept is there. Okay. Alright, so that is Duna intercept. I don't know if we have enough fuel to even do this. It's a 12-second burn in 2 days. Click here and say warp to next maneuver. Electricity charge is good to go. All right, so we're going to do this burn at 12 seconds. Whether we have enough fuel or not, we'll see. Oh boy. Well, that was a bit of a unplanned conundrum, or what have you. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, burn. Boom. We have Duna system entry. All right, we're going to warp to here. We possibly have the ability as well to get all the way to Duna. Transmitting distance is fine. So far, so good. There's parts of our rocket there. What I want to do is actually go to, say, there. So Duna is no longer a target. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this also can double as a relay. Where is Duna anyways? Well, there's the sun, so Duna should be... Oh, it's right there. Look at that. So there it is right there. So once we enter the Duna system, we'll look to see how we're sitting, if we're in front of it or behind it, and then we'll burn to try for capture. It looks like we're a little bit ahead of it. Like way too far ahead of it. Though that means burning should not be much of a problem theoretically. We'll jump just the point where we're inside its sphere of influence here. All right. Look at that. We're going down our first little bit here. Okay, so we're gonna be just. Let's burn this way. Nope. I was gonna say, I wonder how much that'll take. Oh, interesting. That'll actually bump us into the outer planets. So that, like, okay, that's its moon. So we could try something like this. Basically burning right at the planet. It's going to be a 1 minute. And 30-second burn, basically. Basically, we just missed Duna. So what we're doing is basically just trying our best. Because I think I can then burn there at that point for capture, yeah. Basically, we're going to do 2 burns. We're going to do this one, and then we're going to do that one. I'm hoping that we have enough fuel for 1. Or for 2, in this case, I should say. So we're also coming in below it. Well, we might have enough fuel. If we didn't do that little screw up there with our staging, should have got here with no problem. So at least we know this probe here has the ability to reach Duna. If we had some like thermometers on it or something. Could have got a little bit of some Duna science. But in my eyes, being able to just do this right now is successful. Okay, we're almost at the point where we need to do a burn, so we're going to do it at 1 minute 27. 1 minute 27. So once we line up. It's taking forever. I think we can do a minute 27. Like I said, this one, all we got to do is burn just to get captured. That's all we want to do is get captured. So basically we're going to be burning directly at Duna. Never said this was going to be a smart idea, just that it is an idea. Times 10. I want you to go down a little bit. Come on. You know what? That close enough. So once again, we're going to do a burn at 1 minute 30. Hmm. Three, two. Oh, like that. So 1 minute 30. Alright, so we're going to immediately stop that burn. Actually, we should be doing it now at 32 seconds instead. Because Kerbal Space Program's math didn't work out. So we're going to do this at 33. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Have the fuel. Have the fuel. It's 8, 7, 6, 5. Nope, we're not going to have enough fuel. 2, 1, and we're out of fuel. Theoretically, could I have done a burn? To then capture? Nope. Alright, well, on the bright side, we know we can make it to Duna, and we know we have the ability to do whatever. So I'm just going to tell it to cancel that burn. And we're just going to go to max speed. So, on the bright side, we now know that we have the ability to get to Duna. We know we have the range to get to Duna when it comes to radar. Or, well, we'll say the probe itself. The next stage will be to do the exact same thing again. But next time it's going to be... I'm going to launch and put a... some science on it. The only thing I realize that might be an issue is when Kerbal is far away from Duna. So what I might do is launch another satellite in higher, like between Kerbal maybe and Duna. Because to be honest with you, if we fast forward it now, we're probably going to run out of range. Because we were already kind of starting to maximize our range. So now we're at 2. Kerbal's at 13. No. And we're going red. And I'm assuming... Yeah, we're at 20. I mean, look how far away we are, and we're... There we go. So... Wasn't really that far in the first place. One of these engines, I wonder which one of these was still burning. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it was a good little experiment. We got to Duna with no problem. All we're gonna have to do in the next one is make sure that we can get to Duna without the staging problems. I mean, the staging is the biggest issue, right? Not being able to stage properly. I'm going to double check the staging now. I'm actually going to add in another one for Duna here right now. Oh, wow. No. There we go. All right, so in 424 days and 6 minutes is our next window of opportunity to Duna. So we're going to launch the exact same plan to go to Duna. The only catch-22 here is that we're going to immediately open up you and see where I fucked up. Right there. You and you. And then the next stage. Oh, sorry. Is you and you. And then that stage. Okay. As Scott Manley would say, check your staging. But that's the end of this episode. I will see you guys in the next one when we re-attempt our launch to Duna. We're also going to add maybe a little bit of scienciness to this, just so we can get some science out of it. But actually, let's see if we can add some science to it now while we're at it. Since I mean all this is going to be going to Duna, no, you're too. This thing's too big. Unless I can change the scale, I can't. Okay, maybe you know what? That. Where is the... There it is. Oh, I can change the scale. Wait, can I make this even smaller? I can. Oh, I just came up with an idea. I don't think... Alright, that's not gonna work. I'll figure it out something. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.